Good day. My name is Jamaica de Guzman. My topic for today is air pollution. So, what is air pollution? This is the presence of substances in the atmosphere that are harmful to the health of human and other living beings, or cause damage to the climate or to materials. Also, air pollution is a mixture of solid particles and gases in the air. Car emissions, chemicals from factories, dust, pollen, and mold spore may be suspended as particle. Ozone, a gas, is a major part of the air pollution in cities. When ozone from air pollution, it is called smog. So what is smog? It is the mix of smoke and fog. Air pollution is caused by the solid and liquid particles and certain gases that are suspended in the air. These particles and gases can come from car and truck exhaust, factories, dust, pollen, mold, spore, volcanoes, and wildfires. The solid and liquid particles suspended in our air are called aerosol. So what is aerosol? This is under pressure and able to be released as a fire spray, typically by means of the propellant gas. Next, so this is the top 10 kind of air pollution. Number 1 is sulfur dioxide, carbon monoxide, carbon dioxide, nitrogen oxide, volatile organic compound, particulate, ozone, chlorofluorocarbon, unburned hydrocarbon, lead, and heavy metals. Next, this is the 7 factors affecting air pollution. Number 1, the burning of fossil fuels, agricultural activities, waste in landfills, exhaust from factories and industries, mining operation, indoor air pollution, and natural event. Number 1, the burning of fossil fuels. When fossil fuels are burned, they release nitrogen oxide into atmosphere, which contribute to the formation of smog and acid rain. Second is agricultural activities, means the cultivation of the soil, planting of crops, growing of fruits, trees, including the harvesting of such farm production and other farm activity. Next, waste in landfills, also known a tip, dump, rubbish dump, garbage dump, or dumping ground, is a site for the disposal of waste materials. Exhaust from factories, and industries is manufacturing industries release on the large amount of carbon monoxide, hydrocarbon, organic compound, and chemical into the air, thereby depleting of quality of the air. Number 5, mining operation. It is managing many immediate and long-term activities and around a mine site in the order to facilitate the production of a mineral product. Next one is indoor air pollution. Is dust, dirt, or gases in the air inside buildings such as your home or workplace that could be harmful to breathe in. So dito nagko-cause na yung asthma or lung cancer. So example here is tobacco smoke, household production, and pesticide. And lastly, natural event. Volcanic eruption is the one major source of natural air pollution. When an eruption occurs, it produces the amount of sulfur, chlorine, and ash product, which are released into the atmosphere and can be picked up by wind to be dispersed over large area. So dito na nagtatapos. Thank you.
Good day everyone, I'm Alyssa Mipid Mundon and I will be discuss about fog. Fog is a visible aerosol consisting of tiny water droplets or ice crystals suspended in the air at or near the Earth's surface. Fog can be considered a type of low-lying cloud, usually resembling stratus, and is heavily influenced by nearby bodies of water, topography, and wind condition. Ang hamog ay isang ulap na dumadampi sa lupa. Maaring manipis o makapal ang fog, ibig sabihin na hihirapan ng mga tao na makita ito. In some condition, ang fog ay maaring maging nakakapal na gumagawa kapag may dumadang mga sasakyan. Maging ang mga monumento tulad ng London Bridge sa London, England o Golden Gate Bridge sa San Francisco, California ay halos imposibleng makita sa makapal na hamog. Fog shows up when water vapor or water in its gaseous form condenses. During condensation, molecules of water vapor combine to make tiny liquid water droplets that hang in the air. You can see fog because of these tiny water droplets. Water vapor, a gas, is invisible. Fog happens when it's very humid. There has to be a lot of water vapor in the air for fog to form. So the layer in the Earth's stratosphere at an altitude of about 6.2 miles or 10 kilometers containing a high concentration of ozone which absorb most of the ultraviolet radiation reaching the Earth from the sun. Just because the ozone layer or ozone shield is a region of Earth's stratosphere that absorbs most of the sun's ultraviolet radiation. It contains a high concentration of ozone in relation to other parts of the atmosphere, although still small in relation to other gases in the stratosphere. So ito naman yung tinatawag na pagkasira ng ozone. Unti-unting pagnipis ng ozone layer ng Earth sa itaas na atmosphere, dulot ng paglabas ng mga chemical na compound na naglalaman ng gaseous, chlorine o bromine mula sa industriya at iba pang aktibidad ng tao. Ang pagnipis ay mas malinaw sa mga polar na rehiyon, lalo na sa Antarctica. Ang pagkaubos ng ozone ay isang pangunahing problema sa kapaligiran dahil pinapatas nito ang dami ng radiation ng ultraviolet or what we call UV na umaabot sa ibabaw ng Earth na nagpapatas ng rate ng cancer sa balat, mga katarata sa mata, at pinsala sa genetic at immune system. The Montreal Protocol, ratified in 1987, was the first of several comprehensive international agreements enacted to halt the production and use of ozone-depleting chemicals. As a result of continued international cooperation on this issue, the ozone layer is expected to recover over time.
Good day everyone, my name is May Jamela Fernandez and my report today is about acid rain. Acid rain or acid deposition is a broad term that includes any form of precipitation with acidic components such as sulfuric or nitric acid that fall to the ground from the atmosphere in wet or dry forms. This can include rain, snow, fog, hail, or even dust that is acidic. It says here that acid rain is a form of precipitation na may acidic compounds like sulfuric and nitric acid na nahuhulog sa lupa. For example is ulan, fog, and niebe. Ang acid rain ay sanhi rin ng chemical na reaksyon na nagsisimula kapag yung sulfur dioxide and nitrogen oxide is nirelease sa hangin. Then yung mga substance na yon is tataas, di ba? Then humahalo at magre-react sa tubig at oxygen and other chemicals. So, doon na nabubuo yung acid rain na tinatawag natin. Thank you. Yan lang. Greenhouse effect. The greenhouse effect is the process by which radiation from a planet's atmosphere warms the planet's surface to a temperature above what it would be without this atmosphere. Radiatively active gases in a planet's atmosphere radiate energy in all directions. Sabi dito, ang greenhouse effect is nangyayari kapag ang gases mula sa Earth atmosphere is natrap ang init ng araw. So, ang process na ito is ginagawang mas mainit ang ating Earth. This insulates the surface of the Earth and prevent it from freezing. We have main gases of greenhouse effect. These are the carbon dioxide, which is the most important greenhouse gases, methane, nitrous oxide, and water vapor. The concentration of carbon dioxide ay umaabot sa 413.2 parts per million in 2020 at 149% of pre-industrial level. Ang methane naman is mayroon tayong 262%. Ang nitrous oxide naman is mayroong 123%. Nung nag-start na sirain ng tao yung Earth natural equilibrium natin. So, yun lang. Thank you.
Hello and good day everyone. My name is Brian Ortiz. I will discuss the global warming. Global warming refers to the long-term shift in temperatures and weather patterns. So what is the causes of global warming? Global warming occurs when carbon dioxide and other air pollutants collect in the atmosphere and absorb sunlight and solar radiation that have bounced off the Earth's surface, curving the dangerous of the Earth's surface. Curbing dangerous climate change requires very deep cuts in emission as well as the use of alternative to fossil fuels worldwide. Controlling air pollution. Using public transport, turn off the lights when not in use, recycle and reuse, no to plastic bags, reduction of forest fires and smoking, use of fans instead of air conditioner, use filters for chimneys, avoid usage of crackers, avoid using of products with chemicals, implement afforestation. So that is the 10 controlling air pollution. Thank you.